What every ERISA disability policy holder with Parkinson's needs to know about exposure to TCE and the development of Parkinson's disease. Now, the nature of Parkinson's disease is one of a progressive nature. It's a chronic degenerative disorder of the central nervous system that impacts both the motor system and the non-motor system. Earlier symptoms involve tremor, rigidity, slowness of movement, difficulty walking. But as the disease worsens, we'll begin to see issues with cognitive impairment, sensory issues, and there generally is a long period of time between the occupational exposure to organic solvents like TCE and the development of PD. The situation will often occur where you have purchased a disability insurance policy, you've been diagnosed with PD, and you are beginning to have progressive symptoms that are impacting your ability to work. What I think you should be doing is reading the policy documents cover to cover so you understand what it is you need to prove to get your disability benefits, how to file a claim, policy exclusions or limitations, and the carrier's right to reduce your benefits by the receipt of other income benefits such as VA benefits. There are several definitions in the policy or plan that I think are crucial, and one is the definition of disability, which can be defined as the inability to perform your own or any occupation. And there's also the definition of accident or injury. Now, and there's no uniform definition, by the way. Many disability policies will potentially say that exposure are not considered to be accidents, but are considered to be injuries. Why is that important? Because there are some policies that will limit the payment of benefits based on the nature of the, if you will, cause of the disability. If it's an accident, there's one thing. If it's a sickness, it's another. And so you need to understand that, because obviously in your medical records, we want to, and you want to be explaining how it is you came to have the PD and whether it's secondary to any kind of exposure. That's also important potentially because if you are filing for benefits and you also have a workers' comp claim secondary to that exposure, or you have VA benefits as a result of the exposure, there can be an offset or reduction in your ERISA disability benefits based on the receipt of the veterans benefits and the receipt of workers' compensation benefits. It's a legal offset. I don't like it, but it is there, and many courts have upheld these offsets. But you need to understand that before you stop work and apply for benefits. If you have any questions about your rights to your ERISA disability benefits because of Parkinson's or because of an exposure to solvents, give me a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I work closely with the PD community and look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve. 727-894-3188.